project managers. Welcome back to Super Roll Forming. Today we will talk about how to choose the right roll forming machine for your project. Whether you're a seasoned manufacturer or just starting, finding the perfect roll forming machine can make or break your project. Stick around because we will talk about key factors you need to consider. But before we do, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. All right, manufacturers, the first step in choosing the right roll forming machine is understanding your project needs. Are you working with steel, aluminum, or another material? What's the thickness? Knowing these details will help you to the right type and specifications. Now that you know your project requirements, let's talk about the types of roll forming machines. There are different types of machine, like automatic rolling shutter machine, semi-automatic 9-roll or 6-roll rolling shutter machine, the CE and Z purlin machine, or the roofing sheet making machine. Each serves a unique purpose, so choose one that aligns with your project goals. One size does not fit all when it comes to materials. Ensure your chosen machine is compatible with the materials you'll be working with. Some machines are better suited for certain metals or alloys, so double-check those specifications. Time is money, my friends. Consider the production speed and volume of the roll forming machine. If you have a large-scale project, you'll want a machine that can handle high volumes efficiently. On the other hand, if you're a smaller operation, a more compact machine might be the way to go. Let's talk about maintenance. A well-maintained machine ensures longevity and consistent performance. Look for a roll forming machine with user-friendly maintenance features that can be easily operated by anyone and have low maintenance cost. Last but not least, let's discuss the budget. It's essential to find a balance between features and cost. Don't overspend on unnecessary features, but also don't compromise on quality. Shop from Super Roll Forming and find your desired machine that fits your project and your pocket. And there you have it, our guide on how to choose the right roll forming machine for your project. Remember, it's not just a machine, it's an investment in the success of your project. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow manufacturers. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring.